Hey everybody, good morning and happy Friday. Thank you for being here for our morning message. As always, we're going to go ahead and get started with our rules. Rule number 1 is to follow directions quickly. Rules number 2 and 3 are about raising our hands, so we're going to forget about those for today. Rule number 4 is to make smart choices. I hope that you are continuing to do that at home with your families. Rule number 5 is no whining. Rule number 6 is to be patient. And rule number 7 is to be kind. I hope that you guys are practicing kindness with your families and yourself during this time. Some shout outs before we get started. I want to shout out Kaden, who was on Reading A to Z for a long time yesterday. There's even a button on there where you can record yourself reading a story and then I can hear you reading it. That's an awesome feature of that app. So I encourage everybody to log into Reading A to Z, Raz Kids. Again, the username is larnold41. That's your teacher username. And then you should be able to click on your name and enter your password. Another shout out to London and Peyton, who both gave me calls this evening to let me know how they were doing and to check in. It was great to talk to you ladies and to hear about what you've been up to this week. All right, let's do our calendar and our days of the week before we read our message. All right, here we are. It's still March 2020. Let's go ahead and say our days of the week: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So today is Friday, so we're going to go right here and go down. It is Friday, March 20th, 2020. So we are going to go ahead and read our morning message. So we have our date in the top right-hand corner. It is March, so that's why we have that number 3, because January, February, March. March is the 3rd month of the year, so we put the number 3. It is the 20th, so we're going to put a 20, and the year is 2020, so we're going to put another 20. Good morning. Today is Friday, March 20th. So let's go ahead and count to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Awesome job. 20 is a super cool number because we can also count to 20 by 5s, 10s, and 2s. So let's count by 5s first to 20. 5, 10, 15, 20. That is skip counting by 5s. Let's count by 10s. 10, 20. Easy peasy. Let's count by 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. That is how we skip count by 2s to 20. Awesome job, you guys. All right, let's practice some sight words. All right, I've got some new sight word cards here for us. Go ahead and see if you can say them. Remember, sight words are words that are not always able to be sounded out, so we want to memorize them, put them in our brains, and be able to say them like that within 3 seconds. So go ahead and look at them and see if you can say them before I say them. Put, saw, her, away, play, went, why, that's on our wonder wheel, why, all, that has our TH digraph at the beginning, that. Ooh, this one has our WH digraph at the beginning, where, and it's on our wonder wheel, where are you? With, that has a TH digraph at the end, with. Then, another Wonder Wheel word. Almost done. Help. Like if you're asking somebody for help. And our last word is again. Awesome. And remember, when we read a story and we hear something happening again, we can go like this, and that is our symbol for again and again. So if you're hearing repeated language in a story, you can go like this to signify that you're hearing something again and again. All right. Can you help, sight word, solve this story problem? So I got to speak with a lot of friends yesterday, and they asked me to do a number bond video. I am getting that together and we'll upload that sometime this weekend. In the meantime, I have one number bond story for us right now. If you're not in it, don't worry about it. I have not forgotten about you. You're going to be in one this weekend. But let's go ahead and read this one. Isla has 5 pet unicorns. Peyton gives her 6 more. How many unicorns does Isla have now? So if Peyton is giving her more unicorns, then Isla's going to have a bigger number. So we know right away that this is going to be an addition problem. So let's see if we can draw a number bond to help us answer this question. All right, so our 2 parts for this number bond are 5 and 6. So we need to find the total. How many unicorns does Isla have now? We need to find 5 and 6 more. So one way we could do it is we could write the number sentence. 5 plus 6 equals, and I can put a little line there because I don't know the answer yet. So that's my blank. You could put a question mark too since you don't know it. 5 plus 6 equals. So then underneath 5, I could draw 5 circles. And underneath 6, I could draw 6 circles. And then all I need to do to find my total is to count them together. I can use my skill of counting on to practice. So I don't need to start at 0 or at 1. I can start at 5. So because I know that this is 5. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Watch me do that one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 is a teen number, even though it doesn't say, we don't say 11 teen. It is still a teen number because it has a 1 in the tens place. So those are our teen numbers. So 5 plus 6 equals 11. I can draw that now into a number bond. And my 2 parts, 5 and 6. And then I can write 11, which is a 1 and a 1, as my total. So how many unicorns does Isla have now? She has 11 unicorns, which means she really has her hands full because taking care of 11 unicorns would be no easy task. Have a fantastic Friday. Love, Miss Arnold. I hope everybody has an awesome day today and a great weekend and a wonderful time. Let's go ahead and do our mindful moment before we leave. So go ahead and close your eyes and sit up nice and tall and breathe in and out. In and out. In and out. And just like we always do, thumbs up if you're feeling good, happy, excited, ready to go. Middle thumb, you're here, but maybe something is a little bit wrong. And thumbs down if something is super wrong. If you're showing a thumbs down right now, please make sure that you go and very kindly ask for what you need from a grown-up. So first, take a minute to think about, what do you need? Do you need water? Do you need something to eat? Do you need to take a 5-minute rest? Do you need to use the bathroom? Whatever you need, ask for it in a polite, respectful manner. And I look forward to seeing everybody back here later tonight for a bedtime story. Have a great Friday, guys. Bye.